Hello, and welcome to this installment of Corrigo's Introduction to Arby's Work Order Network. In this video, we will take a quick tour of the tool set available to Arby's area supervisors, director of operations, and others in operations management, covering the ability to access the work orders across their personal restaurant portfolio, to see status and handle financial escalations, to use a mobile device while on the road to do the same, and using the dashboards regularly push them to better manage their part of business. These tools were developed by Corrigo in conjunction with Arby's Building Development Department, based on Corrigo's extensive experience in the quick-serve industry, with companies like Jack in the Box, Wendy's, El Pollo Loco, churches, and more. In this first part of the tour, we will access the Service Request Center as an area supervisor who has received an email alert that there is a work order that needs their intervention. The system automatically knows the relevant portfolio of each individual who logs in and provides a drop-down on the upper right that will allow us to choose any of the specific restaurants in our portfolio or to show the activity in all. If we click on a specific restaurant, the data below will reflect the work going on at that store. Or if we go up and select all, that will tell the system to show all the work in our area. This holds true as Director of Operations or Regional VP levels. So, when in the office, it is easy to get into the system, select a location or entire area, and then be able to access work orders needing attention, approving, not to exceed, increase, or invoices that require intervention with all the details needed at your fingertips. However, operations is often in the field and between sites. For those times, Corrigo provides a mobile interface for operations management to be able to come into the system and access work orders so they can act on common issues such as approving a not-to-exceed increase. In this case, all they have to do is access the work order, review the details, and then click on the NTE amount, adjust it, and save it. Once the change is made, the Work Order Network will handle logging the new amount, notifying the vendor that they can proceed with the requested service under the new NTE, and ensuring any invoice is in compliance. Corrigo's mobile interface helps operations respond timely without computer access, facilitating smooth operations and adding back hours every month. The final tools to see in this quick tour are the dashboards built into Arby's Work Order Network. These can be configured to appear regularly in your inbox without having to log into Corrigo's system. On the screen here, we see a budget to actual dashboard which was sent to us. It allows one to see in real time both how much has already been spent and how much is forecasted to be spent in a portfolio based on the work outstanding. This is compared to the portfolio of sites budget, so you know how well you are doing against your goals and have the data you need when making spending decisions to support the brand. Another key dashboard is the Vendor Performance Scorecard. In the Vendor Scorecard, service providers are graded based on various categories, including restaurant satisfaction, invoice amount, on-time completion, on-time response, and on-time invoicing. This is all combined into an overall score, allowing you to see which of your service providers support the Arby's brand at a good value, and which of them are not delivering the value needed to be successful. Many other reports are built into Arby's Work Order Network, putting all the data about maintenance at your fingertips. Another example is the Facilities Condition Index report, which allows you to see the overall condition of a restaurant and compare it to others. Thank you for your time today, reviewing some of the toolkit available to support operations in Arby's Work Order Network powered by Corrigo. Whether it is quickly and easily accessing work orders across multiple sites on the web, handling an escalation on the mobile, or reviewing the data and dashboards pushed to you regularly, the Work Order Network powered by Corrigo has what you need for your part of the business. Please take the time to view the other videos profiling other powerful aspects of Arby's Work Order Network.